Assalam-o-Alaikum dosto, Agar any kabi socha hai ka building ki ched nich kyan nahi gerti. Ye slab ka wait kis cheese par hota hai. Toas ka topic hai, RCC Beam ki Hoti hai ye kaise kaam karti hai. Video ko en taksarud ki kyunki aj main up ko simple or practical tarik si samjhenge. RCC Lab ki hai, RCC ka full form hain, reinforced cement concrete. Iska lab hai, cement, sand, crushed bajri, steel bars saria. Jab concrete can to steel dali yadi hai, to USA RCC hain, beam ki Hoti hai. Beam mech horizontal structural member Hoti hai jo, slab ka weight thati hai. Columns parlo transfer karti hai, building ko strong banayi hai. Simple alphas main, beam building ki hati hai jo puri structure ko support karti hai. RCC Beam ka kaam, RCC Beam the terra ka pressure handle karti hai, compression daba upa ki side. Tension control niche ki side, concrete compression main strong hota hai. Steel tension main strong Hoti hai, islidono komailakar RCC banayi jata hai tak structure mazboot ho. Construction main RCC Beam key importance, Agar beam strong naho, slab crack ho shakti hai. Structure weak ho shakta hai, building and safe ho shakti hai. Islai design or steel placement bohat important Hoti hai. Agar apigar ki chat ko decken, to jo concrete key horizontal strip columns kupa Hoti hai, RCC Beam Hoti hai. To dosto, aj hamani jana, RCC Lab ki hai, beam ki Hoti hai. RCC Beam ka structure main ki role hai, Agar civil engineering student hain ya construction field main interest rakhte. To AC informative videos kalai channel ko subscribe zara karin on YouTube. Like karin, share karin, or comment main batain agla topic ya ho.